There are several methods to bypass the Microsoft account requirement when installing Windows 11. You might have seen those in other videos on the internet. However, in this video, you will see a new and easier method to bypass the Microsoft account on Windows 11. While installing Windows 11, people who wanted to bypass the Microsoft account requirement had to use the OOBE command, which is now disabled. The steps were lengthy and complex. You had to use several commands and restart your PC. But now there is a new command, and it is just one command. You don't need to restart your PC. The command will open a window where you can enter the local account username, and that's it. Curious enough? Let's get to know this. During the Windows 11 installation, you just keep following the steps, like accepting the terms, selecting the hard drive partition, then Windows will copy the OS data on the hard drive, it will restart, and install the operating system. After all the installation, you will see the Windows 11 welcome screen, the screen where it asks for your country or region. That's where you need to enter the magical command to bypass the Microsoft account requirement. What you do is at this screen, press the Shift plus F10 button on the keyboard. It will open the command prompt. People using a laptop might have to use Shift plus FN key plus F10 key, as some laptops have dual actions attached to one key. To access the other, they have to use the FN key. Once you are on the command prompt, type Start. Hit the spacebar, then type ms-cxh : local only without any space. Just type the whole thing you see on the screen. Command is also in the description in case you want to copy. Now hit the Enter button, you will see a window, Create a user for this PC. See, it's not asking for your Microsoft account. Instead, it is asking for a username that is for the local account. So enter the username, password, then select security questions and answer in case you forget the password. Once you are finished entering details, click Next, and that's it. It will start the system setup. It is going to take some time. You can see it has skipped all the prompts like country or region, keyboard, etc. After a minute or so, you will reach this screen where you choose privacy settings for your device. After selecting the privacy options, click Accept. That's it. You will see the Windows 11 desktop. Isn't it straightforward and easy? If you click on the username on the Start menu, it shows the local account, not a Microsoft account. You can verify the same in the Account section of Settings. So this is how you can bypass the Microsoft account requirement on Windows 11. If the video has helped you, hit the like button and leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts on Windows 11 tips and tricks.